Okay, so the objective we are going to do today is addition and subtraction on integers. First, we are going to read the objective together and then we will write it. Right now, we will read with Didi, listening time going on. We are going to read the objective with Didi. Um, Before that, everyone is going to turn on their videos. I am giving you 5 seconds. Gulnar, Usma, thank you, Gullu, Usma, Sabah, Asif, Faizan, and Anuj. We are going to turn on our videos in the class. We are not going to keep our videos off. Habib, Usma, Sabah, Asif, Faizan, and Anuj. We'll take 5 more seconds and we'll turn our videos on. Thank you very much, Habib. Others, please turn on your videos. As if this is the new norm of the classroom, we'll turn on videos on, okay? So that Didi knows what are you doing. All right. Okay. We are all going to read with Didi. This is listening time. We are going to read the objective with Didi, okay? We will be able to, very good Muskan, very good Sahil, carry out addition, very good Gulnar Habib, and subtraction on integers. Very good, Mispa. All right, Faizan, if there is data problem, you can keep your video off. Try to keep your video on if possible, okay? Hi, Zed. All right. Writing time now, guys. We are going to take 1 minute and write this objective in our notebooks. We are going to take 1 minute and write this objective in our notebooks. Very good. I can see Shifa writing. Very good, Shifa. Yes, Habib. Yes, Habib.
Miss, your voice is broken.
Now can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Habib. Everyone, please read the objective in your notebook. I can see Gulnar writing. I can see Khushi writing. Mispa writing. Very good. Zaid writing. Amazing. Others who have their videos off, Sabah, Asif, Usma, Faizan, and Anuj, please make sure you are writing and give me a thumbs up if you're done. Usma is done. Thank you, Usma. Thank you, Usma. So turn the video on. Hi, Usma. So good to see you. Thank you, guys. Amazing. Very good, Shifa, Kushi. Very good, Misbah. Very good, Gullu. Very good, Habib. Very good, Zaid. Very good, Usma. Very good, Mantasha. Asif, Sabah, Faizan, Anuj. Please show me a thumbs up once you're done so that Didi knows you're writing. Kushi is done. Thank you, Kushi. Gullu is done. Thank you, Gullu. Hi, Joseph. Joseph, we have to write the objective, okay? Start writing the objective. Hi, Zed. Joseph, we have to write the objective, okay? Guys, show me a thumbs up.
Hi, Zed.
Shifa is done. Tisha. We'll take 30 more seconds and we will move on. Habib is done. Very good, Habib. Waiting for others. Hi, Joseph Kiami. अरे अनामिका आपको
हाँ
हाय बोल रहे हो जैफ
हाय
मैम।
अनामिका मिस।
हेलो, कैसे?
हाँ अच्छे, आप कैसे?
हाँ, मैं भी अच्छी हूँ।
Yeah,
किधर है
Faizani
आप अभी?
told me.
अभी मैं लंदन में ही हूँ।
Little revision of what we studied the last time. We did number line last time, if you remember, and we learned that negative numbers are to the left of 0 and positive numbers are to the right of 0. And we learned a lot of other things, right? When we go from left to right, numbers increase. When we go from right to left, numbers decrease. To revise those concepts, we are going to do these 4 questions. Didi is going to read it out to you, listening time. First, we will listen to Didi as Didi is reading the questions, and then we will try to solve these questions to revise what we did in the last class. Okay. Draw the number line and answer the following questions. Which number will we reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of -2? So if we move 4 numbers to the right of -2, which number will we reach? Which number will we reach if we move 5 numbers to the left of 1? So if to the left of 1 we move 5 numbers, where will we reach? Which number will we reach? You have to draw a number line, okay, to answer these questions. Without a number line, you will not be able to you will not be able to understand these questions. Asif, if you can't hear me, try to leave and join again. Okay. Third question is, if we are at -8 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach -13? So you have to say whether left or right. And if we are at -6 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach -1? Again, you have to answer whether left or right. Okay, we are going to take next 3 minutes and do these questions in our notebook. Then we will come together and we will discuss these questions. Yes, Faizan, you have to draw a number line for each question. Okay, guys, for each question, you will draw a separate number line. Very good. I can see Kushi has already started writing. Guys, writing time. Writing time. You have to write these questions first. You have to write these questions in your notebook first, and then you have to solve these questions in your notebook. Yes, Gullu.
Didi, write the question also.
Yes, yes. So first we will write the question in our notebooks, and then we will write the answers to these questions. Very good. I can see Mantisha has started writing. Habib has started writing. Very good, Usma. Very good, Shifa. Very good, Misbah. Amazing. Very good, Adit. Amazing, Adit. Muskan is writing. Khushi is writing. Very good, guys. Well done. Very good, guys. Very good, Khushi. Sabha, it's okay for now. Just try as much as you can understand. Then when Didi will explain, then you'll understand, okay? We'll also listen to what other people have answered. Uzma, Sabah, it is okay if you're not understanding. Shifa, it's okay if you're not understanding. We will try to do it. If you're not understanding it, okay. All right, when Didi will explain, then we will understand it better. For now, just try and think what can be the answer. Just think. Hi, Mahima. I'm seeing you after so long. How are you, Mahima? कैसे हो?
अच्छी हूँ, आप कैसे?
मैं भी अच्छी हूँ. We are doing maths, okay, Mahima? Thank you for joining.
Hi, Mahima.
I think she's yes. Unmute yourself, Mahima.
Hello, how are you?
Hello, I'm good. You?
I'm also good. How's your village?
Good.
Good. Okay, nice.
Amazing, guys. Guys, don't worry. Jitna you're understanding, utna try to solve. Okay, then we will try to understand this better. Very good, Joseph. I can see Joseph writing. All those who have their videos off, Asif, Sabah, Faizan, Zaid, Anuj, if you have your videos off, make sure you're giving thumbs up once you're done so that Didi knows you're writing. Very good. I can see Misbah writing. Shifa is writing. Hi, Afreen. Mantisha, don't worry, okay? We will try to understand it together. Mahima, you have to write whatever is written on the screen. So Didi has written a few questions, no? You have to write these questions in your notebook. Okay. I can see Habib writing. Very good. Asif, I don't know what the problem is. Just write and try to solve this right now, what is written on the screen, okay? Please show me a thumbs up once you're done writing. Joseph is done writing? No, okay. Please show me a thumbs up once you're done solving the questions, then we will discuss it, okay? Thank you, Anamika.
Welcome.
Sania is also here.
Oh, hi,
Hi,
Sanya.
Sania. She's connecting her audio.
Hi,
Hi, Sania. Sania, you have to write this in your notebook, okay? Writing time going on. You have to write this in your notebook. Okay. Guys, please show me a thumbs up once you're done. Very good. Khushi is done. Amazing. Habib, do you want to answer? Okay. Yes, Habib.
It's like this, na?
1 minute. What?
Miss ऐसा करने का.
हाँ, number line बना के करना है. Very good, Habib. Well done. Well done. We'll discuss it, then tell us the answer, okay? Thank you. Shifa is done. Amazing, guys. Guys, we'll take a little more time. We'll take just 1 more minute and finish this. Okay, we're taking too long. Yes, Sania. 1 minute. I'll unmute you. Yes, Sania.
दीदी इससे पहले भी कुछ करवाया आपने?
No, Baba. This is the first thing we're doing. Okay. All right. Okay, guys. We're gonna start discussing the answer. I am going to ask people in random, so make sure you are ready. Okay. Okay. Yes, Shifa. What do you think we have to do in the first question? Answer मत बताओ, बस बताओ क्या क्या किया आपने first question में.
Didi, I do not understand. That's why I write only question.
Okay. Did you understand any of the question? No, none of the questions you understood. Okay. No problem. Huzef, do you know how to solve the first question?
Yes, दीदी हम लोग को नंबर लाइन बना के हम लोग को उस पे ना ऐसा ऐसा वो करने का है. -2 और -4. तो -2 बड़ा है कि -4 बड़ा है? तो -2 छोटा है और -4 बड़ा है. हम लोग को-
-4 बड़ा है कि छोटा है?
नहीं, -2 बड़ा है और 4
Okay. Okay.
-2 छोटा है और 4 बड़ा है.
-4 बड़ा है. That is a
Yes.
different thing. But that is not what we are supposed to do here. 1 minute. Yes. So that is not what we're supposed to do. The question is, which number will we reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of -2? If we move 4 numbers, this is -2. If we move 4 numbers to the right of -2, where will we reach? हम कहाँ पहुँचेंगे number line पे? That is the question. Okay, Joseph. Gulu, were you able to solve any of the questions? Yes, Sani, I'll come to you. Okay. Gulu, no. Okay. Khushi, thank you for answering the question. Okay, we will try to understand, okay, what our friends have done. Okay, Sania, you want to share?
यस दीदी. दीदी यहाँ पे -2 है, तो अगर हम लोग 4 नंबर मूव करेंगे तो -6 आएगा.
Okay, in which direction if we move, we'll get -6?
राइट डायरेक्शन.
Right direction. Will you check again?
यस.
Sania, will you check again on the number line? Okay, thank you, Sania. Thank you for trying. Uzma, what answer did you get? Yes, Uzma, what answer did you get? Uzma, unmute and speak, Baba. Okay, Faizan, thank you very much for sharing what you did. Shifa is raising her hand. Yes, Shifa.
Didi, I get in first question 8 answers.
Okay, the first question you're getting 8 answer. Thank you for sharing. Yes, Muskan, you can go for 1 minute. Okay. Thank you, Khushi, for sharing the answer. Khushi, you want to share what did you do? How did you solve the question? Yes, Khushi, you want to how did you solve the first and second question? You want to share it with everyone? Khushi, unmute and speak. Yes. Yes.
लाइन पर
Baba, say. I cannot hear Kushi. Okay, I would want someone else to try. Uh, Zed, what did you do for the first and the second question? Thank you very much, Faizan, for sharing. Thank you very much, Sabah, for अभी आ रही है बाबा आवाज?
Yes.
ओके, आपने फर्स्ट और सेकंड क्वेश्चन में क्या किया? हाउ डिड यू सॉल्व इट?
नहीं
दीदी अगर अगर अपन नंबर लाइन में 5 पे है तो 1 पे पहुंचने के लिए 4 नंबर
Okay, thank you for sharing, Zed. Mantusha wants to share. Yes, Mantusha.
टीचर फर्स्ट वाले में आंसर 8 मिला
8 mila. Okay, thank you for sharing. Okay, guys, who can tell me third question? How did you solve the third question? Guru, you want to share? Yes, Guru, you want to share
दीदी
something?
आई एम टेल so दूसरा क्वेश्चन है ना वो मेरे को आंसर मिला है कैसे लिखने का है एक नंबर लाइन
What is the answer?
द नंबर लाइन बना के फिर 5 और 1 को दोनों तरफ लिखते तो 5 बड़ा के 1 बड़ा तो फिर 5 बड़ा तो 5 के इधर फिर ऐसा वो लाइन मारी गई ऐसा
Okay, fine, guys. We'll try to understand this better. Okay, it's okay if you're not understanding right now. We'll try to understand it better. We'll just quickly discuss the third and the fourth question. Then we'll move on to how to solve it. Okay. Who is this, Baba? Misbah. Okay. Yes, Misbah, do you want to try the third question? How will we do the third question? Okay, I cannot hear Misbah properly. Anyone who wants to try the third question? Anyone who understood the third question? Muskan, you want to try? How do you think we'll do the third question? Yes, Muskan, unmute and speak. Unmute करो बाबा, unmute करो, Muskan.
Yes, Didi.
Yes, how do you think? Thank you, Anamika. Yes, how do you think we'll do the third question?
दीदी लेफ्ट जाएंगे 13 तक जाने का है
Left जाएंगे ना, right? Okay, amazing. Okay, guys, a lot of you tried. I am really proud of all of you for trying the questions. I know it is a little difficult. And I completely understand if you could not understand the question in the first. Number will we reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of -2? What does this mean? This means where will we reach after 4 hops? We will reach 2, right? Similarly, in the second question, guys, this is our listening time. Okay, sorry, this is our listening time. We'll only listen to Didi. Okay, we'll write later. Yes. No problem, Arzu. Okay. All right. So our second question was what? Our second question was which number will we reach if we move 5 numbers to the left of 1? ठीक है. 5 number 1 के left पे. ठीक है. So what will we do? We will again start with 1 because we have to go 5 numbers from 1. Okay, so we will again circle 1 and this time we'll start hopping towards the left. Okay, in the first question we were hopping towards the right. Now we will start hopping towards the left. Okay, so we'll take 5 hops. Okay, 1 to 0, 0 to -1, -1 to -2, -2 to 3, and -3 to -4. So after 5 hops from 1, where are we going to reach? We are going to reach -4. Okay, so what is the answer? The answer is -4. So the answer of the first question is 2, and the answer of the second question is -4. The third question is, if we are at -8, which direction we have to go to reach -3? Okay, now guys, see, this is -8. -8 is over here. Okay, this is -8. Okay, and where is -13? -13 will be somewhere over here, right? यहाँ पे -11 होगा, फिर -12 होगा, फिर -13 होगा. So -13 will be somewhere over here. So which direction do we have to move? -8 से -13 पे जाने के लिए कौन सा डायरेक्शन ले रहे हैं हम? Left. Okay, we are moving towards left. I'm saying loudly, Luzma. I'll try to speak more loudly. Okay. So what is our answer? Our answer is left. To go from -4 to -13, we'll go towards the left. Jose, 1 minute. Okay, I'll unmute you in 1 minute. Then the fourth question is, 1 minute, guys. If we are at -6, which direction do we have to move to reach -1? ठीक है, let's say महिमा -1 पे रहती है और हुजैफ सॉरी महिमा -6 पे रहती है और हुजैफ -4 पे रहता है. ठीक है, माहिमा -6 पे रहती है और हुजैफ -4 पे रहता है. तो माहिमा को हुजैफ के घर जाना है तो कौन से डायरेक्शन में जाएगी? राइट साइड में जाएगी, राइट? शी विल मूव टुवर्ड्स द राइट. ओके, so that is why the answer is right. Guys, I hope all of you are understanding. Shifa, what are you not understanding? Tell me the doubt. क्या doubt है?
दीदी, I did not understand the number line.
Okay, guys. All right. What we are going to do now is we are going to start writing. This is our writing time. We'll take 2 minutes to write. Meanwhile, जिसको समझ में नहीं आया है वो दीदी से पूछेंगे, ठीक है, कि क्या डाउट है. Uzma, I'll unmute you in 1 minute. Okay. Shifa, number line में आपको क्या समझ में नहीं आया exactly?
दीदी means you are do ना ये frog jump like that one.
Okay, so Shifa, our question is that if we are at -2 and the question is we are at -2 and we move 4 numbers to the right, then where will we reach? Wait a minute, Uzma, you want to say something? Just a minute. Yes, Uzma, do you want to say something? Hello? Okay. Shifa, so see, what is the question? The question is that if we move 4 numbers from -2, where will we reach? Okay. Let's say सारे numbers पे किसी ना किसी का घर है. Okay. Let's say शिफा का घर -2 पे है और मुस्कान का घर 2 पे है. ठीक है, तो I am asking Shifa, if you move 4 numbers to the right, where will you reach? So what will she tell me? I'll reach Muskan's house. Why? Because when you are moving 4 numbers from -2, in the first number you will reach -1. Second number you will reach 0. Third number you will reach 1. And fourth number you will reach 2. Okay. So when you hop 4 numbers from -2, where will you reach? 2. So 2 is the answer. Shifa, did you understand?
Yes, दीदी.
Okay, amazing. So you just have to see which direction moving and which number reach. Okay. This writing time, I want everybody to write in their notebooks. Okay. Also, I am going to ask you random questions to make sure that you are understanding. Okay. Habib, if you move two numbers to the left of -5, where will you reach?
वापस से पूछो मिस.
If you move two numbers to the left of -5, where will you reach?
Left.
Left. Two numbers to the left of -5, where will you reach?
Right में.
Which number are you going to reach?
मिस 2 minute. 2 में.
हाँ हाँ हाँ. Two number to the left of -5. Yes, yes, you have to draw, Usma.
मिस
Two.
ये अपने को ना 5 पे जाने का है तो अपन 2 पे फिर जंप करेंगे.
Two numbers to the left of -5 मतलब -5 से -6 और -6 से -7. 2 हॉप लेना है. लेफ्ट की तरफ हमको 2 बार हॉप लेना है. ठीक है, जंप करना है. ठीक है, अंडरस्टूड? We'll try again. Okay, Habib, it's okay if you're not understanding. We'll try again. Muskan, where will you reach if you move 3 numbers to the right of 2? 3 numbers to the
-5.
-5. Try again. 3 numbers to the right of 2. 3 numbers.
नहीं
3 numbers to the right of 2.
1.
Okay, we'll try again. Okay, Joseph, do you want to try this? 3 numbers to the right of 2.
हम लोग को ऐसा नहीं करना है. ऐसा ये
कैसा?
4 -2 और 4 फिर जो बड़ा रहेगा उसको यहाँ वही ऐसा नहीं करने का दीदी.
पापा बड़ा
नहीं.
छोटा नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम लोग हॉप्स कर रहे हैं. ओके, जैसे दीदी समझा रही है ना, that is what we are doing. Okay, so like दीदी said 4 numbers to the right of -2 मतलब हम -2 से शुरू करके 4 हॉप्स लेंगे. Okay, understand मुस्कान? हबीब, if दीदी saying 3 numbers to the right of 2 मतलब हम 2 से स्टार्ट करके 3 हॉप्स लेंगे. तो एक हॉप में 2 से 3 पहुंचेंगे, दूसरे हॉप में 3 से 4 पहुंचेंगे, तीसरे हॉप में 5 पहुंचेंगे. Right, so where are we going to reach? We are going to reach 5. Okay, did you understand? Guys, it's okay. I know it is a little difficult, but we need to understand this. Okay, so we are going to keep trying. Iram, where will we reach if we move 2 numbers to the right of 5? Very good, Faizan, Gulu, Sabah. Hello? Iram, I can hear you. Hello, Iram. Iram, are you in the class?
Yes दीदी.
Yes.
बोला आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी. बोलना your voice is not coming. देख ना. Yes दीदी.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes. Now.
Okay. Didi is asking where will we reach if we move 2 numbers to the right of 5? Okay, guys, I'm just going to ask a few more people. Yes, Mantasha. 2 numbers to the right of 5. Sabah is telling 7. Amazing. Iram, amazing. 2 numbers to the right of 5.
7.
7. Amazing, guys. You're finally getting the hang of it. Amazing. I'm so happy. Gulu, where will you reach? Gulu,
Yes.
where will
7.
you... No, new question. New question. Where will you reach if you move 3 numbers to the right of 3? 3 numbers to the right of 3.
Right of
3.
Very good, Faizan. Amazing. Gulu, killing it. Amazing, amazing. Sania, where will you reach if you move 4 numbers to the left of 4? 4 numbers to the left of 4.
8.
Try again. 4 numbers to the left of 4. Left.
हाँ.
Amazing, guys. So smart.
0. 0.
Amazing, Sania. Well done. Amazing. So proud of you. Amazing. Alfia. Alfia, hi. Have you come just now? Abhi aaye ho kya, Alfia? Very good, guys. You all are answering very, very well. Okay. Misbah, unmute yourself and speak. Hello? Yes. Can you hear me? मिसबा आवाज नहीं आ रहा है बाबा. माहिमा, unmute yourself. मिसबा, can you hear me? I can't hear you, मिसबा. बहुत noise आ रहा है. 1 minute. Mahima, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, Mahima, where will you reach if you move um if you move four numbers to the left of -4? 4 numbers to the left of -4.
0. No, 0.
4 numbers to the left of -4. Left of
Minus
-4.
8.
Amazing. Well done, Mahima. Where will you reach? -8. Amazing, guys. All of you are answering so well on the group as well. Well done. So proud of you. Maruf, where will you reach if you move 3 numbers to the right of 0? 3 numbers to the right of 0. Try करो 3 numbers to the right of 0. नंबर लाइन को देख के ट्राई करो. 3 numbers to the right of 0. 0 से 3 नंबर राइट पे जाओ तो कहाँ पहुंचोगे?
3.
Amazing. Very good, Maru. Where will we reach? 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 0 से if we have to, if we move 3 numbers towards the right, where will we reach? 3. Okay. Amazing, guys. You are doing very, very well. Farzana,
Hello. Yes.
where will you reach if you move 5 numbers to the left of -5? 5 numbers to the left of -5.
-3.
5 numbers to the left of -5. -5 से 5 number left. 5 numbers to the left of -5. Where will you reach?
-10.
Amazing. Amazing. Very good, Farzana. Where will you reach? -10. Guys, everyone will give answers to me privately, okay? Send me answers privately. Amazing. Thank you so much, guys, for answering. Okay. So we know, right? Now I feel you guys are understanding what to do. When Didi says go right and left, you have to start from a particular point and you have to go hop those many numbers and you have to see where you are reaching. Okay, now we are going to practice the third and fourth question a little bit more. Yes, Gulu, you want to ask something?
दीदी आई एम 10. एक और क्वेश्चन पूछो ना.
एक और. अच्छा, मैं और पूछूंगी. ठीक है, अब नए वाले क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगी. Now you have to tell me left or right. Okay, Gulu. I am going to tell you 2 numbers like we had question 3 here, right? If we have to move from -8 to -13, which direction will we go? Okay, I'm going to ask you very similar questions. Okay, we are going to pay attention. Okay, Iram, please charge your phone before coming. Okay. All right. Because Gullu was very excited, I'll ask her the first question. Okay, Gullu, if you have to go from -2 to -5, you'll go in which direction?
दीदी what -2 से
-2 to -5. -5, which direction?
left.
Amazing, very good. Left. Okay. Who hasn't answered anything yet? Let me see. Aniket Baba, how did I forget you? Aniket, if you have to go from -5 to 5, which direction will you go in? Aniket, unmute Baba. Okay, I don't know where Aniket is. Yes, Joseph, if we have to go from -5 to 5, which direction will we take? Amazing. Yes, Miss Ba, thank you very much. We can do this. Okay. Guys, very quickly, we will do what Miss Ba has said. Amazing, Miss Ba. Thank you for giving me this idea. We will do clap for left and we will do thumbs up for right. Okay, Didi is quickly going to give you questions. You're going to do, what are you going to do? Thumbs up for left and clap for, clap for left, thumbs up for right. Okay, clap for left, thumbs up for right. Okay, clap for left and thumbs up for right. Guys, give reaction so that I know. Okay, Gullu is saying clap, which is left. Okay, Gullu, choose one reaction. Okay, thank you, Sanya. Thank you, Jose. Thank you, Mantasha. Thank you, Iram. Thank you, Uzma. Thank you, Faizan Sabah. Amazing, guys. All right. Guys, remember, okay, clap for left and thumbs up for right. Okay, clap for left, thumbs up for right. Okay, 0 to 7. 0 to 7. Very good, Gullu. Very good, Sania, Mantasha. Clap for left, thumbs up for right. 0 to 7. Very good. Very good, Muskan. Very good, Usma. Very good, Misbah. Amazing. All right. Next is -6 to -1. -6 to -1. Very good, Iram. Very good, Jose. Very good, Sania, Shifa. Thank you for answering. Okay. All right. Where are we going to go? We are going to go towards right. Okay, guys. All right. -7 to -1. -7 to -1. Very good. Very good, guys. All of you are giving thumbs up. That is the right answer. We are going to go towards the right. Okay, so you guys are understanding now. Amazing. Amazing. Well done. Okay, guys. Amazing, guys. All of you have done very well. Thank you for participating. Everyone will just give me a thumbs up if they have written everything. If they are done writing all of this, then we will move on. If you're done writing the answers, give me a thumbs up so we'll move on. Okay, everyone is done writing. Amazing, guys. Okay, we are gonna okay, Iram, fine. If you're leaving, make sure you're charging your phone next time. Okay, and if it is possible for you to put it on charge and attend the class, please do that. Okay. All right. Okay, guys, we are going to understand how to do addition on the number line. Now that you understand left, right, and how to hop from one number to another, we are going to, thank you, Isma. We are going to do addition on the number line. Okay. Listening time. We are going to listen to Didi and repeat with Didi. Okay. To add a positive number. Very good, Shifa and Gulu. Very good, Mahima. To the given number. Very good. We move that many units. Very good, Sania. Very good, Joseph, Muskan. To the right of that number on the number line. Very good, guys. Now, writing time. We are going to take 1 minute and write this in our notebooks. We are going to take 1 minute and write this in our notebooks. Thank you, Joseph. Thank you, Adit. I know the time. Okay. Thank you for time check. Thank you, guys. We are going to take 1 minute and write this in our notebooks. Very good. I can see Shifa has started writing. Very good. Sania has started writing. Amazing. Khushi is writing. Guys, if your video is off, please try to switch on your videos. Sahil, Yaqub, Sabah, Falak, Misbah, Afreen, Usma. If possible, please turn on your videos. Jose, I cannot see you writing. Joseph, I cannot see you writing. Please start writing, Joseph. Yes. Very good, Muskan. Very good, Khushi. I can see Joseph has also started writing. Very good, Joseph. Very good, Shifa. Maruf, are you writing? Please start writing, okay? Very good, Mahima. Very good, Alfia. Very good, Mantasha. Amazing. Guys, all those who have their videos off, please show me a thumbs up once you are done. Gulu is done. Amazing, Gulu. Falak is raising her hand. Yes, Falak. Yes, Falak.
Did nothing happen?
Okay, no problem, Falak. Please show me a thumbs up once you're done. Faizan is done. Mantasha is done. Gulu is done. Amazing. Gulu, you want to say something? Yes, Gulu.
I am read the to add up.
Yes, read no.
To add a positive number to the given number, we move that many units the right of that number on the number line.
Okay, thank you so much. Yes, read.
Example minus 5
Plus
and
5.
plus 5 and plus
Plus 3.
is equal to 8.
Okay, thank you, Gulu. Okay. Thank you, Gulu, for reading. Faizan, if my voice is not coming, reconnect, okay? Okay, guys. Mantasha is done. Okay, everyone is done. All right. So what if we have to add a positive number to a given number? We move towards the right of that number. Okay. So plus 3 is positive. Okay, it is a positive number. Okay, if it is minus 3, it is negative number. So plus 3 is positive number. So it is plus 5 plus 3. That means we are adding plus 3 to plus 5. So when we are adding a positive number, we move towards the right of that number. Okay. So how will we do this on the number line? Guys, listening time, everyone will pay attention. Okay. We have to do this minus 5 plus 3 on the number line. ये हमको addition number line पे करना है. Didi will show you how to do it on the number line. Okay. So first we will circle 5. Why are we circling 5, Shifa? Why do you think we are circling 5?
Because the positive numbers, we want to add the 5.
Amazing. Because you want to add 3 to 5. ठीक है. 5 में add करें. That's why we will circle 5. Okay. Mahima, why are we moving towards the right of 5? Why are we moving towards the right and not the left? Oh, Mahima, you want to go and eat? Mahima, 5 minutes. Okay, then you can go eat. Sorry. Yes, why are we moving towards right?
Because the example is positive.
Okay, because we are adding a positive number. Thank you, Mahima. Because we are adding a positive number. Because we are adding plus 3, which is positive, we are moving towards the right. Okay. If we are moving towards the right, where are we going to reach? If we move 3 places towards the right of 5, where will we reach? Yes, Falak. Yes, Falak.
Plus 8.
plus 8. Okay, so whenever we are adding a positive number, we move towards the right. Okay, whenever we are adding a positive number, we move towards the right. Okay, try to remember this. Whenever we are adding a positive number, we move towards the right. Thank you guys everyone for answering on the group. Okay, so this is how we will write on the number line. Plus 5 plus 3 is equal to plus 8. Okay, Didi is giving you 30 seconds. Adit, wait for more 5 minutes. Okay, then we leave together. More 30 seconds writing time. We'll write this in our notebooks. 30 seconds of writing time will make this number line and we'll write this in our notebook. Very good. I can see Habib writing. Excellent. I can see Muskan writing. Alfia, please sit in a smart position. Thank you, Alfia. I can see Gullu making faces. Gullu is also writing. Very good, Gullu. Very good, Maruf. Very good, Mantasha. Amazing. Others who have their videos off, please tell me if you're writing. Okay, Falak, Uzma, Adit, Faizan, Misbah, Sahil, Sabah. Please tell me if you're writing. Okay, because Didi does not know if you're writing. Falak is saying okay, ठीक है. Adit, wait, Baba. Shifa, thank you. Sabah is done, thank you. Alfia is done, Sanya is done, Shifa is done. Okay, amazing. Mantasha is done, Faizan is done. Amazing, guys. All right, we are going to move on. Okay, guys. Muskan is done. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Okay. Okay. Sorry. All right. All right. Again, listening time. We are going to listen to Didi, and we are going to read with Didi. Okay, we are going to read with Didi. Okay. To add a negative number. Very good, Shifa. To the given number. Very good, Muskan. Very good, Sanya. We move that many units to the right. Wait, guys. Just give me a minute.
Soumya, time check, 3:03.
Yes, I'll end it in the next
Okay.
3 minutes.
Muskan, can you wait after the class? Didi needs to speak to you. Okay, Muskan?
All right, guys, we are reading with Didi. Okay. We move that many units to the left of that number on the number line. Guys, listening time, we're only listening and not writing. Okay. Now, last time what we saw how to add positive numbers. Now we are seeing how to add negative numbers. Okay. Jose, why are we circling 6? Why have we circled number 6?
Didi, the add and negative number को add करके give number we may move that many units.
Okay,
to
Jose,
left.
why are we circling 6? Because we are starting with 6. Our first number in the example is 6. Okay, that is why, because we are adding -4 to 6, that is why we'll circle 6 here. Amazing, guys. Okay. Habib, no, Habib had already answered. Madisha, we will move towards the left or right of 6? Should we go towards the left of 6 or right of 6?
Left.
Why left? Why left?
Right.
Why right?
Because example में भी 6 plus दिया हुआ है.
Okay, thank you very much, Madisha, for trying. Thank you so much for trying. Gulu, do you want to try? Where will we move, left or right? Okay, now can you hear me? Okay, guys, I'll try to. Who will try this question? Miss Uzma, where will we go, left or right? Uzma, where are we going to go, left or right? I can't hear Uzma. Sania, where will we go, left? Thank you, Sabha, for answering. Sania, unmute and speak. Where will we go, to the left of 6 or right of 6?
Right of 6. The left of 6.
Why left?
Because in the left of direction there is -4.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Sanya. Little correction, because we are adding a negative number. Okay. If we were adding +6 plus 4, if we're adding +4, then we would have gone to the right. But because we are adding -4, we are going towards the left. Okay. So we will move towards the left. We will, how many numbers will we move towards the left? 4 numbers. So we will move 4 numbers towards the left. And where will we reach? We will reach 2. So Didi will write answer as 2 here, because we are going towards the left, and we are how many hops are we taking? We are taking 4 hops. Okay. In 2 minutes, we will finish writing this in our notebooks. Writing time, guys. We will finish writing this in our notebooks. Palak is showing thumbs up. Okay, Palak. Mantisha, you want to say something? Yes, Mantisha.
टीचर मेरा जोर से बोल रहे हैं, बारिश हो रही तो आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
Okay, I'll try to speak. This is the most loud I can speak, Mantisha. I can't speak louder than this. I'll thoda speak slowly, okay? Thank you, guys. I can see Muskan writing, very good. I can see Joseph writing, very good. Very good, Muskan. Yes, Joseph, I know that time, Baba. We'll go after writing this, okay, Joseph? Yes, Gulu. Yes, Gulu.
Didi, I am a reader.
Yes, read it.
Okay. To add a negative number to the given number, we move that many units to the right of the number on the left.
Sorry. Is that right written? Sorry, guys.
To the right of that number on number line. Example, -6 plus 6 and plus -4 is equal to 2.
Guys, please make that left, okay? It is left. Didi made a mistake. We have to move left, not right.
Okay. The negative number.
Thank you, Shifa. Guys, please make this left, okay? Didi wrote right by mistake. Here it is supposed to be left, okay? Please make this left.
Okay.
Thank you, Gulu. We move that many units to the left of that number, not right, okay? Left. Oh, thank you, Faizan. Thank you, Shifa. We move that many units to the left of that number. Thank you, Sava. Guys, if you wrote right, please correct it and write left. Okay. We move to the left. And please show me a thumbs up once you're done. Alfia, yes. Alfia. Okay. Yes, Alfia. Say, Baba. Muskan, answer is 2, okay? Answer is 2. Muskan is done. Thank you. Guys, show me a thumbs up if you're done. Mantisha is done. Gulu is done. Okay. Habib is done. Usma is done. Shifa is done. Guys, one more minute, okay? We will finish writing this. Shifa is done. Okay, guys, I can see all of you are done. Thank you so much. I'll just unmute you all, okay? We'll say bye to our friends and we will leave.